guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My last video was on how to buy the cheapest flight ticket for the students, especially those who are coming to China for study purpose. And I made that video, that was my last video. And today in this video, I'll be talking about the things to remember before packing your luggage. Okay, I'll share my experience and that will be obviously helpful for you. And let me start by the first point, that is basic spices for cooking food. And of course you should remember all the cooking spices that you need for your food, especially when you come to China. I will say that you will not like the food in the first run, but after some months you will start loving Chinese food. But for starting, obviously you have to cook food, and for that you need to bring some spices with you along the other your basic needs. And obviously there are some other things that are basic cutlery, that means spoon, bowl, plate, and everything that you need to use for cooking as well as for eating purpose. Okay, and don't bring that too much of the stuff in your luggage, because you need other things also. And so that you have to bring just one item for each, and that is like one spoon and one plate and one bowl just to eat anything. And for cooking purpose you'll buy the rice cooker and some like electric induction stove in China. And there's no any necessary, like no any necessity to bring anything from your own country that is needed for cooking purpose. That's like a big cooker or like some big mixer grinder or something like that. Everything that are available in China, you don't have to bring it, because that is very cheap and of good quality in China. You'll find it very good quality and cheap in online application. I'll also share about those things, what are the apps and what you need to install in your phone before coming to China. I have already made one video, but I'll also talk about that later on while I continue the video. The third point is that you need to bring your cultural dress for your festival and like university events. You can see here, this is the foreign students like enjoying their like cultural dress, wearing their cultural dress, showcasing their culture. And in Zhejiang University, last year and this year, both time, like there was a good event organized by the International Students Union, and that was really nice. And so that you must bring your cultural dress, so that don't miss it. And it is very necessary to feel like home when you are in foreign land. Okay, and the fourth point is that one formal dress, obviously while giving the presentation to your professor, supervisor, and some other formal events, you need your formal dress. Obviously in China you can buy one, but if you want the fitting dress, like that needs your body measurement, obviously you have to stitch your clothes, and that is why you have to obviously bring your like formal dress from your country. And after that you come here, you know your measurements, and you can just use that measurements to buy it online, because you need to know your measurements before you buy the clothes, right? And okay, the fifth point is you need to bring like some casual dresses like jeans, t-shirts, shirts, and other things, like everything. But you don't have to bring like more clothes, because you'll find the higher quality and better in better prices, that is cheaper price. You'll find everything in China, and that is only for your prior 3-4 months, because prior 3-4 months will be a struggle for you, because you will not get any stipend. And you'll have to work on your visa process, you'll have to work on your resident permit, and you'll have to buy all the big items like for the initial investment, like the kitchen utensils and everything. So that obviously you will be tight of your like budget, you'll have a tight budget, so that you have to bring like a small number of like clothes that you will need for your starting period, like 3-4 months. Okay, And after that, obviously, you'll come on September. For the winter, obviously, you'll get the stipend, and then you can buy some warm clothes in winter. Okay. Other thing is the personal items, and that is perfume, face wash, hair products, and skin products. Because like you don't know like what type of products like Chinese people use in China, so that you need to bring your personal healthcare items and personal things that you love most, and you need to bring it from your country, and don't miss it. Okay. And another point is that I have made a video related to these like things you must remember before coming to China. Like there in that video, I've talked about like all the application, mobile application that you need to install, and what are the things that you have to consider before applying visa, after applying visa, and getting the flight ticket and everything. And there are a lot of other videos that I have made. Please check my YouTube channel, and let's move forward here. Here the another thing is the power bank. Okay, you need to bring your power bank if your phone battery is not so good. If your phone battery is good, that's very nice. But because the payment is done through phone, the translation is done through phone, and without phone you cannot do anything in China. That is why like the phone is the most important accessory, like device that you need to have with you all the time. Okay. And the next point is laptop. Okay, you can buy the best laptop in China, and there's like no doubt you'll buy a good laptop in your own country. But if you have like basic laptop, you don't have to buy it in your own country. Just come to China, and after like 2 3 months, you'll boost up your research work, and then finally you will find out all the good specifications, and then you select one laptop and buy it in China. That is the better option. Okay. And the about the phone apps, the first thing is buy a good VPN. Okay. You have to buy one very nice VPN. Without VPN, you will not be able to use the Google Translator. You will not be able to use Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp, or anything that you are using right now in your country, because China has blocked everything. Obviously the YouTube as well, and I'm also using VPN. And if you want to know how to buy a VPN, you can comment down below, and I'll also make the video on that in my next video if I have a higher number of inquiries about that. I think it's easy, and you can do that by your own. If not, I will obviously make a video. And another point is medical insurance. Obviously, before you come to China, uh, you will have to pay for your medical insurance, because once you enter into China, there can be anything to you. Like the health is very important to you. And the other thing is like before you register in your university, they ask for the document. That is the one number. The first document is the medical insurance. Without the medical insurance, your registration process will not go further. So that the first thing is you have to have your medical insurance before you come to China. And you can buy it after you come to China, but before doing the registration process. Okay. Before doing the registration in the university, you have to have the medical insurance with you. Okay. And the other thing is dorm booking. Most of the campuses have the online dorm booking system, but in my case, like in Yuchuan campus, you have to come to the dorm office physically, and you have to book the dorm. And for that, you have to be on time, like on the office time. If your flight is on the late night, you have to stay outside of the university so that you can enter into the campus. If you have to stay in the dorm, if you want to stay in the dorm, then you have to contact with your lab mates or your supervisor beforehand, and you find some friend that will help you to register on your behalf, so that you can directly get into the dorm in the midnight or in the 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. in the morning. That's okay, that's totally fine. But for the most important thing is that you have to book the dorm room. Okay, that is the another important thing. Okay, in this video you can see here, I have shown a place, like the exact place where you have to go for the dorm registration in our campus, the Yuchuan campus. Okay, and here I have taught you about how to buy the medical insurance, so that you will know how to buy the medical insurance from here. Okay, and this video is about the 7 things that you need to know before and after, like after coming to China and before coming to China. Okay, please check out these videos as well, and let's move forward. Okay, here. Don't forget your documents. Obviously, the police clearance certificate, admission notice, JW 201202 form, and original degree certificates, white background, passport size photos, passport size visa, passport with visa, sorry, and 3-4 copies of all the documents and copy of medical insurance in China. Obviously, these all documents. Maybe I have missed some of the documents, but you need to be very careful with your documents. Bring everything, all the documents that you have, all the degree related documents and personal documents and everything. And the most important thing is that you need to have an international roaming sim card, because like once you enter into China, you don't have Wi-Fi, you don't have internet, you don't have data, because in the airport it's very difficult to get the Wi-Fi during the emergency period. That is why if you have an international roaming sim card just for like few days, like just for 2-3 days, if you have that international roaming service, you can use the internet and you can use the different applications like Python translator, you can use the Alipay, you can use everything like because like if you have a translator app, you can translate English to Chinese and talk to the people that are in the airport, like to the airport staff. You can talk them in English, and because if they don't speak in English, you can just type in and then translate to Chinese and show them, they will just help you. It's very convenient, so that don't forget the SIM card, okay? And the other thing is you need the internet once you land in China. Obviously, I've talked about that. And the other thing is that keep the name of the supervisor with you. You need to know your supervisor's name and the phone number with you while entering into China. And the other thing is that the most important thing is that if you have these information, you can use that information while the immigration check. Okay, so that you need to keep it. Okay, yeah, you need it, sorry, it's need. And the metro timing is from 6 a.m to 11 p.m. I have already made a video about how to use metro from airport to the university, so that if you want to check out that video, please check out, and that will help you if you are on time. Between 6 a.m to 11 p.m, you can use the metro and directly reach to the university. Otherwise, you can take the taxi, you'll find that, but taxi is expensive option and using metro is the cheaper one. And if you have the internet, the SIM card, the roaming SIM card, and the internet, the Alipay app application in your phone, then obviously you can use metro. It's very easy. I have taught you in that video in my YouTube channel, you can check that. Okay, and here I have taught you how to buy the cheapest flight ticket for the students. And here I have taught you once you reach the university by taking metro, you will see all the direction. I have shown the direction where is the building that you'll have to go for the registration process, and then where is the place to buy the SIM card. Yeah, that's very easy. Okay, that's all for today's video, but like I'll just show some of the my past video that I have already made. Here you can see this is my YouTube channel. You are already in my YouTube channel, and I've made like these videos about the how to buy the cheapest flight ticket. I've shown about the like what do you say, the streets, beautiful street in Hangzhou, like it's like fun video, and it's like nightlife inside Zhejiang campus, the main campus of Zhejiang University. And this is the same video like where to buy the SIM card, and like I'm just provided, like I have just provided the guide like for new students, way to do the registration, okay, for the new semester. Okay, and this another part is like how to use metro, and I've shown a market near the campus, and about the way do you do the dome registration in each one campus. I've made the video here, and how to buy the medical insurance for the students. And this one is the part one video of how to use metro. Like I've just taught you about how to use the application, which application do you need to use the metro, and about the Alipay, how to use it and everything. And this is about the dome office and everything, and these are the factory exhibition and everything. The beauty of Hangzhou is like West Lake, and I've shown beauty of Hangzhou here in West Lake in my YouTube channel. And this is about the dome video, like you can check all the videos. Look, I made so many videos like about the beautiful campus and everything that I have helped you since very long. Like you can see, I've helped made a video how to apply for the CSC scholarship and everything. Yeah, that's all for today's video, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for my new videos Thank you so much for watching my video until the end, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends who are in need. And thanks so much. Bye bye.